Hi, I'm Jodie Bramman. I'm a nutritional therapist, and today I want to show you how to build my Happy Hormone Smoothie to help you feel incredible. The reason I love smoothies in the morning is because they are a great way to start the day. Not only are you packing in as much nutrition as possible, but also it is so quick and easy that there is no excuse for no time. It's just chuck it in a blender and go. There are 5 steps to building my Happy Hormone Smoothie. The first is vegetables. So pack in something like cauliflower, beetroot, carrot or courgette and chuck it in. Then you're going to want step 2, which is fruit, and this is to naturally sweeten your smoothie. I tend to stay on the side of caution with tropical fruits and opt for more berries because these are low in natural sugars and they're packed full of antioxidants which help your egg health and really make your skin glow from the inside. Then you're going to add in protein, and protein is really important for building your hormones and repairing the body. So I use a protein powder because it's nice and easy to chuck in, but pick something like rice protein, hemp protein or pea protein, and these are natural. Read the ingredients and make sure you're not throwing any toxins into your smoothie. Then you want to go for seeds, and I pick seed cycling seeds, and I've got a whole video on this. But essentially, the types of seeds that you add into your smoothie depend on the stage of the cycle that you're in your period. So at the first half of your cycle, you're going to be using things like flax and pumpkin seeds. And in the second half of your cycle, sesame and sunflower seeds. And this helps to shake things up and keep things interesting. Then the next step is your liquid. You can use plant milk or water, keep it interesting, vary it up, change it around, but please just don't use dairy for this because I just find that dairy interferes with hormones in a negative way, so just leave it out. So these are my 5 steps to building a happy hormone smoothie, and I'm going to share with you one of my favourite recipes that you can try at home. First into the blender goes your courgette. Then you're going to add in some frozen cherries, about half a cup. Then you're going to add in your seeds. Next up is a scoop of protein powder, then a tablespoon of almond butter, and half a tablespoon of cacao powder. Then you pour your liquid in, more if you want a smoothie and less if you want a smoothie bowl to make it nice and thick. Turn the blender on and away you go. See, it is so easy, so delicious, and there are no more excuses not to pack in the nutrition first thing in the morning. If you enjoyed this recipe and you want more recipes, then click the link below where I'm going to be introducing you to my amazing 7-day smoothie challenge, which I really hope you'll get involved with. If you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe and please tag me in any of your smoothie recipes. Hope to see you soon. Cheers!